Helping mommy. Welcome. Oh my God, Jesus, guys talaga. Dito na naman si Adam, guys. Hindi siya loading today.
Our new voice is gonna be
Buti na lang, guys, meron tayong girl. Siya yung...
People don't understand,
Yeah.
especially the Filipinos living overseas and everything.
So ito yung mga bahay pala dito, guys. Napakamahal ng bahay dito, mga bahay dito. Yung nga sabi nila, Australia is a good salary,
Expensive,
but-
not good salary.
not good salary. That type of bird very noisy. The birds here in Australia, guys, are singer. Ayan, ay may mga bird. Oh, hala. It's heavy. Oh my God, what happened to our warehouse, guys? Very messy. This window. Ay, salamat. It's clear na. What happened to the warehouse? Ay, messy. Arrange muna natin to ng warehouse, guys. Kasi nagkalimukat. Ayan, oh, very messy. Ayan, nagkalimukat. To messy. So, dyan lang kayo, guys, ha. Samahan niyo ako pass forward ko na lang kayo dito. Kasi napaka-messy. Hindi ko alam ang nangyari dito, eh. Ayan, natapos na din yung natin, guys. Kabemfam. Ayan, update sa ating maliit na storage na arrange ko na yung storage natin dito. Ayan. So, maglabas sana ako ngayon. Kaya lang, umuulan. So, bukas na lang. Nailagay ko na dito yung So, bukas na lang yan, guys. So, ngayon, samahan niyo ako magplancha. So comment, guys, every time you ironing the clothes of your family, your kids, you also experience very hot after ironing the clothes. This for me is very warm. So I have 3 students, 2 boys and 1 girl, and hopefully in God's grace next year Lucas will go to school. So nice to see that our storage. Ayan, it's very nice na, guys. Ayan, oh. I already organized everything. Yeah. It's nice. Maganda tingnan. Masarap sa mata. It's good to the eyes that everything's good. 4 weeks na lang before the school holidays of the kids. So, abangan nyo ka, Bemfam, kung saan na naman ang Bemfam magka-caravan. Hindi ko muna sasabihin, guys. Kasi malayo pa naman. 4 weeks. So, excited na ba kayo, guys? Kasi si Lucas, the kids are excited. So, ayan. Yun yung abangan nyo, guys. Okay? Oh my God, guys. Very hot talaga. Comment nga kayo, mga mamshi. Pag nag-iron kayo ng uniform ng inyong kids. Tawag nito, mainit din ba? Now, alam ko na, guys, yung nararamdaman na aking mama dati. Tuwing ayon siya ng aking school uniform. Yun, mainit. Init. So yun, tapos na tayo, guys. At least natapos din yung natin, cleaning our warehouse. Na-organize ko natin dito. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. We are done ironing the clothes of my kids, students. Thank God, we're done. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung dinner natin tonight. Sana bumili si Mr. ng food. Naumay sa aking dinner. Ay, naku Lord, salamat. Thank you, Lord. Done. So, ayan. Dito na tayo sa wardrobe, guys. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga tawag nito. mga uniform ng mga kids at saka tawag nito natin nila. Lagyan na natin yung uniform ng mga kids. May husband yan. So ayan guys, tapos na. Mamaya na guys ha, kaya mag-toilet muna ako. Tingnan mo yung guys, my little helper guys, oh. Very good boy. He's my big fella. Ayaw niya kasi maano guys. Not yet pala laboy. Not yet pagupa.
Nanay dito sa Australia, may 4 na anak, pamilya ang saya. Hindi man perpekto ang buhay na dala, basta't magkakasama, sapat na
Ay,
ang
not
saya.
here. Hey, you with mommy. Only that one. Basa. Basa pa tayo guys.
Not yet.
Not yet. After that, the tribes, Yung tribes natin, guys,
Under.
Yeah. Not too much close, okay? Good boy. You like helping mommy?
Yeah.
Thank you for helping mommy again, my big fella. Thank you. Welcome. Sabi pa niya, guys, you're welcome. Good job. You like helping mommy, eh?
Yeah.
How about Rusty? You like helping mommy, Rusty?
Yeah.
Enough na that one, oy. Enough. Other one. There. So you, I'm going na inside, okay? I'm cleaning the house. Daddy and your brother's coming soon. Siya na lang dito, guys, kasi maglinis man ako ng bahay. And after this,
Mom.
yeah, hindi ko na kayo isama sa paglilinis ng bahay, guys, ha? Kasi wala tayong magagawang trabaho pag may kamera. Ang hirap kasi magkamera pag may magkamera. Ang hirap magtrabaho pag may kamera. Parang ano ba, kung lang magagawang trabaho. The last one, yeah? Yung airplane na naman, oh. Dami talagang airplane kasi domestic airport, malapit tayo dito. So you stay there, okay? You put it back after, ha? So ayan guys, huwag nyo na akong... Yeah. Update ko kayo mamaya guys ha, kasi wala tayong, sabi ko, wala tayong magagawang trabaho pag may kamera. Nahirapan ako guys. Yeah. Kasi hindi ko na kayo dadalhin. Kasi hirap nga magtrabaho pag may kamera. Charge ko muna si GoPro yan. Lobat na naman si GoPro. Battery guys, lobat na naman. Son, please.
He's so old. Why would you be?
Not be nice. Be nice. Sige na, go na to Jaja ka. Study na, okay? Please, after you study, Mickey and Adam.
I can't take that long.
Kasi mag-study na sila ng kanilang Jaja o grandpa, guys. So, they are very lucky they have their grandpa
I'm not lucky.
to look after them. This is for your future, love, okay? Not for Batcha and
What does
Jaja.
what does Jaja teach me?
Teach
Nothing.
English and math, yeah?
Boys teach I haven't
My
seen.
firstborn son, very smart this one, guys. Meron siyang award na naman. Every Friday, mostly may award yung aking Darius. Go, son.
I don't want to go. Jaja butcher. My box.
I did that before, I think. I remember when I was a kid. How do you learn that? And where you get that idea? In school?
Computer.
Computer. But not in school.
School too.
Okay. So, natutunan niya yan, guys, sa school. Tapos, walang nagturo sa kanya. No one teach him. He's watching YouTube and then he do him in his own. So, we will see, guys, after this one. I'll show you. So, ito pala yung ginawa ni Darius, guys. Ayan. So, si Darius andun na sa kanyang Jaja o lolo. Ayan, o grandpa. Ayan. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. Ay! Look, Adam! No, son! Oh my God! Don't do that! Oh my God, Jesus, guys. Talaga to si Adam, guys. Napakapilyo. So, ito na, guys. Ayan. Dito na naman si Adam, guys. Hindi siya loading today. He's not loading, okay? Make sure you are not loading. Adam! Yan na si Adam. Hindi loading.
Good morning,
Good
guys.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Afternoon, guys. Today was a great day, but Darius doesn't want to study,
No, you study. You study.
so he was studying make up his mind.
Go na, son.
So our new,
Go na din.
so our So our new voice is gonna be.
Huh?
What was it like?
Ben Fam.
Ben Fam?
Like my hello,
Ben Fam.
Hello, Ben Fam.
hello, Ben Fam, and we're gonna
No
have
more bashing.
and no more bashing.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Ben Fam, and we're gonna have a great day. And I wish you have a great day too.
Ah.
Goodbye.
Guys, I got another one from my
Ayan.
Mommy. No, me.
Hindi loading. Ayan guys, hindi.
I got
Uy, ka-dirty na basa. What happened to your face? Dirty!
Mommy.
No, wipe your mouth. Ice cream. Ice cream, wipe. Jesus, guys. Kumain kasi sila ng ice cream, guys. Saglit lang. Oh my God, the bird. Guys! We're in the vlog, uy. Dirty, guys. Big, you know. Oh, is still handsome. So, ayan ka, Ben Fam. Update. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-video, guys, kasi ang busy. Tawag nito, andito na kasi yung mga student siya kasi husband. So, inasikaso ko muna yung ating mag-ama. So, kanina pala, bumili. Ayan, kanina, kumain tayo ng sushi. Nagpabili ako sa aking mga biyanan ng sushi. So, today, me and Lucas, we're getting the clothes. Kasi yun nga, it's already 6 o'clock na. At yun na naman problema ko, guys. Yung tawag nito, dinner. Wala problema sa ulam, pero tawag nito, guys. Tawag nito mga mamshi. Ako lang ba? Kasi yun nga, minsan may time talaga na ayaw natin magluto, di ba? Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong uulamin natin mamaya. So, we will see na lang. Kasi may nilabas naman ako kanina na dinipros ko yung mincemeat. Baka ako, guys. Baka basta, mahayaan natin mamaya. So, dito na si Lucas. Lucas! Just wait for mommy. Andun na yung bata, oh. He said, I want to help you, mom. I always helping you. He's a good boy. Dito din si Rusty, guys. Rusty! Out ni Lucas! So, ayan na. So, ang lamig na ng guys. Ang lamig na ng weather. So, si Mickey, andun na nag-study. Yun nga, napakalaki ng mga bata kasi meron tayong biyanan na nagtuturo. Kami na, wala talaga akong pasensya, guys, sa pagtuturo. Kay Lucas lang ako nagtuturo. Pero yung mga basic lang. It's okay na, son. Kami na, Liz. Nandito si Lucas, guys. You help me. So, later. But say hi to the guys. Uy. Hi, guys. Ano yung mga boys, oh. Ayan, magdi-dinner. Ano naman tayo, guys? Preparing our dinner tonight. So, mayroon namang sobrang last night yung tomat, apritada. Ayan, oh. Yan yung ulam namin last night. Pero gusto kasi ni Mickey you want soup, Michaela?
Yeah.
Beef soup with rice?
Yeah.
Gusto kasi ni Mickey, guys, beef soup.
You can give it to with any food.
Oh, she's happy with anything? Ano na lang, girl? Long time man yun yung beef kayo, eh. Sauce here.
Okay.
You make some little fried rice and rice, ha? Tomorrow na lang ta mag-beef soup kay. Wala namang problema to si Michaela, guys.
Just cleaning up.
Yun na lang, guys. Oy, yung ulamin natin. Tagal kasi meron pa naman kaming beef, oh. Beef, apritada. Gawa na lang siguro ako ng itlog tapos cabbage with egg. Then egg na lang, guys, no? And then fried rice. Gawa pala ako na, guys, cabbage with lang, simple lang, gisa lang siya ng cabbage with egg. Nakita ko lang to sa YouTube, yan. Slice natin yung ganito yung cabbage, tapos onions, and then garlic. Nag-fried rice na lang din ako. Ang dami namang pagkain. Sobra last night. Tapos chicken nugget si Adam. Ayaw kasi ni Adam ng guys. Si Adam, napaka-parsi ni Adam. Yan, chicken nuggets. Lagay natin sa, yan, air fryer. Tsaka ito. Masarap to siya. Aldi. Cabbage. Lagyan natin ng dito, guys. video. Tingnan natin yung air fryer. Yan. So, kain muna kami, guys. Ay, saglit lang. Ito lang. Buti na lang, guys. Meron tayong girl. Siya yung ano natin, guys. My little help. My girl helper. Spoon cake, please. That's no. No. May love you.
I hate when I'm teeth.
Stop na lagi mo daw. Oh, mas ano naman sila dayas?
Dad, I don't know.
There you study?
Yeah.
Di ba mag-sleep na?
Enjoy food.
Ha?
Alam.
So, kain, guys! Good morning! So ito yung mga bahay pala dito, guys. Oh. Napakamahal ng bahay dito, guys. Ayan. Yan yung mga bahay dito. Ayan. Napakamahal yan, guys. For that price, oh, how much that one day for that type of house? 750.
What, for the land?
No, but for renting.
Ah, more.
What do you say 950 that one,
That
guys?
house, no, it probably cost like 1,000.
No, but 950 per week ba renting?
At least. I'm saying 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Renting?
Yeah, because the one in my hand, the duplex, he's renting the new one 1,500.
So 1,500?
So this would be probably at least 1,000, at least.
Like that, guys.
Maybe
Kasi
1,200.
in Sydney kasi mahal dito, guys, yung renting a
Especially,
house. Yeah. So we say 1,200.
1,200 like that.
Yeah, like that.
So new house and everything.
Yeah, mga new. Per week dito. 'Di ba sa atin sa Pilipinas is per month, dito per week 1,200. How much ka that one in guys? In pesos, yan yung babayaran nyo dito. Pag nasa Sydney, mahal talaga dito yung Mostly people here are renting kasi napakamahal ng accommodation. So napakamahal yan, guys, 1,200, and then I don't know how many bedrooms, mga ganyan. I say 4 bedrooms. Mahal talaga yung mga bahay dito. Yung nga sabi nila, Australia is good
Too
salary.
expensive. No,
but-
not good salary.
Not good salary day.
Depends on what you're working.
Yeah, depends. Yeah.
Average worker struggles
Yeah.
because they don't have their own house. That the food price is ridiculous. Everything.
Yeah, per hour dito. Kaya lang, the cost of living very expensive. Not only cost of living, the food and everything. Electricity. Yun ang pinakamahal dito, guys.
What people don't understand,
Yeah.
especially the Filipinos living overseas and those who only offshore us for like on a ship, is at the end of the day, you live on your own and see what the prices you pay.
Yeah.
You rent, you see, even shared accommodation, $400 a week. And then once shared accommodation, then pay for your transport, pay for your food, pay for your electricity. By the time you make money, you don't have anything left. You don't have much left, especially for the average worker. If you're an average worker and you're earning the average wage, no.
No chance.
I mean, it's if you have, and then once shared accommodation, then pay for your transport, pay for your food, pay for your electricity. By the time you make money, you don't have anything left. You don't have much left, especially for the average worker. If you're an average worker and you're earning the average wage, no.
No chance.
I mean, it's if you have a family, good luck to you. Good luck to you because we spend how much? At least on average.
Average how much?
Let's say on average we spend $400 a week.
A week.
Maybe this week we spend maybe 600 just on food because you got to buy meat. Now, if you want to live cheap and noodles only, well, that's your problem. Then you'll be sick.
Noodles. Pantay.
But everything here is expensive.
Yeah.
Like, it's stupid that essentially we could make our own fuel, we could make our own food, everything could be cheaper. But
260. Some area is ano, 3.
yeah, it depends the country.
$3 na daton. 259. So $3 na also to. 0.59.
No, 260.
260. So ayan guys, we are here now here in Meat Master. So usually dito kami bumibili ng mga meat ni Mr. Ayan. So yun nga, we will see kung magkano yung babayaran natin sa meat. So mahal kasi dito guys. Ayan, pumipili na si Mr. Pork. We buy also pork. How much this one? Sirloin.
Oh,
How much?
oh.
Make sure they have fit in our freezer.
Can I get the also sirloin per kilo?
I will go there get some meat. Saglit lang guys.
218, 20.
So yung meat namin guys, nabayaran namin is 220. Meat lang yan, 220.
Mom, you got the meat master.
Meat Master. We are in Meat Master. Ayan. Guys, we're going to Aldi. Aldi. So dalawa yung trolley yung ginagamit namin guys. Ayan. So again, tara, samahan nyo naman kami ulit guys. We're going to Aldi. Before, bumili kami ng siopaw kaya lang walang pork. Steam ban lang siya na walang pork. Ngayon, balik kami dito sa ano, Little Food Jan. Ayan. Bili kami ng siopaw guys. Magkano yung siopaw dito? Hindi ko alam magkano. Bumili na kami dati dito. We will see how much. So yung siopaw dito guys, $3 each. So we buy how many? 20? 20, so $60. So comment nga kayo guys kung magkano yung siopaw dyan sa Pinas. Kasi dito $3. Pork siopaw. Kala ko $1.50 o $2. Mahal na pala. So I told you, napakamahal dito guys. $3 each siopaw. Ayan.
Mommy,
Yeah, you can see it.
22.
What 22?
Buy 10, get 1 free.
So we have free 2 pieces.
2 pieces.
May libre kaming ano guys, dalawang siopaw. Kasi we buy 20 and then may libreng dalawang siopaw. So $3 each yung siopaw dito, mahal na pala. Akala ko $2 only o $2.50.
Where's Nikki?
So yun, next guys is Aldi.